Så jeg har hier 15 games actually here. I don't thought. It will be the quick. I bet $2. Four more free spins. Hope for something's good here. Oh yeah, retrigger. Yes. Now we have 17 games remaining. Give me another $30 or something. 31. That's the queen of Nile. That's a great win now. Let's see what else we can make here. Another Oh yeah, retrigger. Another $30. Oh yeah, the trigger. Come on, come on. Oh, 12. A dream or a soul. Oh, come on. Yes. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh. $12. I really thought you would re-trigger. What? It's not done yet? We have 4 free games remaining. Oh, come on. Please. Anything. Let's spin. Well, it's not bad, isn't it? 540. I'm up to. No. The 330 and 570. Let's make a couple more spins here and see what happens. What? I have 330, 80. That was a very good session. Cannot complain. So I had 100 in the machine. I played here a little bit. And I played $2. And just turned it on. To the right time, I guess. Okay, it was $6. I thought it would be more, but 210, 30 cents. We need 3 of the points. Get free games. That's just divided. Yeah? No? Sounds not good. It's not really going on here a lot. Stone fast. Here and there a little wind. Oh. And even had one time the middle, the jackpot spin in the middle or something. Oh, that looks good. All of them. That is $20. Done. Let's see. 8 free games, huh? Guarantee even spin. Okay. Let's go. Didn't happen. Didn't happen. Didn't happen. Oh my gosh. I get more spins? Of course not. That spin, guys. Unbelievable. That was horrible. Horrible. I stick to my promise. I make always 2 backup spins. But that's it. I can't believe it. So I moved over on that machine. Excuse me. To that machine. Okay. Ooh, you do the same thing. $2 spin. Oh, I try 160. Must be a good decision. $8. Not bad. Very good. Oh, kitty, 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 come give me a random or whatever. Oh, so 8. Oh, here we got something. Oh, that. How you call it? Oh, you know, in your heart. You can use it too. I honestly have one of that in my car. I don't kidding, it's true. That was 18 bucks, not bad. So, I take the middle. And, oh, of course. Okay, 37. So, I'm up to 77.34. See, make a few small spins, see what the machine said. 320. Let's keep me going. No. Let's spin here. Oh, not at least 3 spin here on the side of the games. So, I guess I come back to another time.